In this video lecture, we are going to discuss multiple choice question and its answers from the topic steam boilers. Question number 41. For water at pressures below atmospheric. Option A, melting point rises slightly and boiling point drops markedly. Option B, melting point rises markedly and boiling point drops markedly. Option C, melting point drops slightly and boiling point drops markedly. Option D, melting point drops slightly and boiling point drops slightly. Option E, none of the above. Answer: Option A, melting point rises slightly and boiling point drops markedly. Question number 42. At very low temperature, the melting point and boiling temperatures become equal. This temperature is option A 373 degree Kelvin, option B 273.16 degree Kelvin, option C 303 Kelvin, option D 0 degree Kelvin, option E 300 degree Kelvin. Answer: Option B 273.16 degree Kelvin. Question number 43. The critical pressure at which latent heat of vaporization is 0 is option A 225.65 kg force per centimeter square, option B 273 kgf per centimeter square, option C 100 kgf per centimeter square, option D 1 kgf per centimeter square, option E minus 1 kgf per centimeter square. Answer: option A 225.65 kgf per centimeter square. Question number 44. The latent heat of steam at pressures greater than atmospheric in comparison to latent heat at atmospheric pressure is option A less, option B more, option C equal, option D may be less or more depending on temperature, option E unpredictable. Answer: option A less. Question number 45. The saturation temperature of steam with increase in pressure increases option A linearly, option B rapidly first and then slowly, option C slowly first and then rapidly, option D inversely, option E none of the above. Answer: option B rapidly first and then slowly. Question number 46. Carbonization of coal is the process of option A pulverizing coal in inert atmosphere, option B heating wood in a limited supply of air at temperature below 300 degrees centigrade, option C strongly heating coal continuously for about 48 hours in the absence of air in a closed vessel, option D binding the pulverized coal into briquettes, option E enriching carbon in the coal. Answer: option C strongly heating coal continuously for about 48 hours in the absence of air in a closed vessel. Question number 47. Coke is produced by option A pulverizing coal in inert atmosphere, option B heating wood in a limited supply of air at temperatures below 300 degrees centigrade, option C strongly heating coal continuously for about 48 hours in the absence of air in a closed vessel, option D binding the pulverized coal into briquettes, option E enriching carbon in the coal. Answer: option C strongly heating coal continuously for about 48 hours in the absence of air in a closed vessel. Question number 48. Heating of dry steam above saturation temperature is known as option A enthalpy, option B superheating, option C supersaturation, option D latent heat, option E supertempering. Answer option B superheating. Question number 49. Superheating of steam is done at option A constant volume, option B constant temperature, option C constant pressure, option D constant entropy, option E constant enthalpy. Answer is option C constant pressure. Question number 50. The objective of producing draught in a boiler is option A to provide an adequate supply of air for the fuel combustion, option B to exhaust the gases of combustion from the combustion chamber, option C to discharge the gases of combustion to the atmosphere through the chimney, option D all of the above. Answer option D all of the above. Question number 51. In a glass tube type water level indicator for boiler, one end of the tube is connected to water space and the other end is connected to option A water space also, option B chimney, option C steam space, option D superheater. Answer option C steam space. Question number 52. In water tube boilers, option A, water passes through the tube which is surrounded by flames and hot gases. Option B, the flames and hot gases pass through the tubes which are surrounded by water. Option C, forced circulation takes place. Option D, none of these. Answer option A, water passes through the tubes which are surrounded by flames and hot gases. Question number 53. Which of the following statement is wrong? Option A, locomotive boiler is a water tube boiler. Option B, water tube boilers are internally fired. Option C, Lehman boiler is a low pressure water tube boiler. Option D, all of the above. Answer option D, all of the above. Question number 54. A grate in a boiler is a place in the combustion chamber upon which fuel is burned. Option A true, option B false. Answer is option A true. Question number 55. Loeffler is a water tube boiler using a forced circulation of water. Option A true, option B false. Answer option A true. Question number 56. Lehman boiler is a high pressure water tube steam boiler working on forced circulation. Option A agree, option B disagree. Answer option A agree. Question number 57. The function of a connecting rod is not to convert reciprocating motion of the piston into rotary motion. Option A true, option B false. Answer option B false. Question number 58. Which of the following statement is correct for a compound steam engine? Option A. The cost of the engine, for the same power and economy is more than that of a simple steam engine. Option B. The forces in the working parts are increased as the forces are distributed over more parts. Option C. The ratio of expansion is reduced, thus reducing the length of stroke. Option D. The temperature range per cylinder is increased with corresponding increase in condensation. Answer. Option C. The ratio of expansion is reduced, thus reducing the length of the stroke. Question number 59. When the speed of the crankshaft is between 100 rpm and 250 rpm, the engine is said to be a option A. Slow speed engine, option B. Medium speed steam engine, option C. High speed steam engine, option D. None of these. Answer. Option B. Medium speed steam engine. Question number 60. The natural draught is produced by option A. Steam jet, option B. Centrifugal fan, option C. Chimney, option D. Both A and B. Answer. Option C. Chimney. Thank you.